Is your Kia EV6 key fob not working or showing a remote not working error? The most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. The Kia EV6 key fob uses a standard CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, which typically lasts 1 to 2 years. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a plastic pry tool or guitar pick to open the case safely. Avoid using metal tools to prevent scratches. Opening the case can be tricky, with some owners reporting a stuck seam. Gently insert the pry tool at the keyring hole or side notch and carefully separate the two halves. After replacement, test the remote to ensure the LED flashes when the buttons are pressed to confirm that it works. This DIY fix has a high success rate among EV6 owners, saving time and money. Once the fob is open, remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032, ensuring the positive plus side faces up as indicated inside the fob. Firmly snap the two halves back together. After replacing the battery, test the key fob. Press the buttons and the LED should flash. If it doesn't, double-check the battery polarity. If the fob still doesn't work, try repairing it with your Kia EV6 via the vehicle's touchscreen or the Kia Connect app if connectivity issues persist. A common pitfall is using excessive force to open the case, potentially cracking the plastic. Dealership battery replacements are typically free under warranty for new vehicles. DIY fixes are safe and effective with proper tools, saving around $15 on average.